क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 and 6 of exercise 30.1 surface area and volume of class 10 by from NCERT test book. Okay, so question number 5 is, in this question it has been said a hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the age of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Okay, so we have a hemispherical depression, okay, cut out from one face of a cubical wooden. This is question number 5. Okay, so we have a cuboid, okay, and a hemispherical depression. Okay, a hemispherical depression is cut out from one face. A hemispherical depression cut out from one face. This is one face, and a hemispherical depression is cut out. Okay, and also even the diameter of wooden block, cubical block, is equal to the wooden block such that the diameter L of hemispherical is equal to the age of cube. Okay, so we have given diameter of hemisphere diameter of hemisphere equal to age of cubical block. Okay, diameter of hemisphere equal to age of cubical block. Okay, we have given age of cubical block at cube, right? Age of cube given equal to L. Okay, then radius of hemisphere equal to radius R of hemisphere equal to L by 2. Okay, and age of cube equal to L. Okay, L. Then determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Okay, so the surface area of the remaining solid is calculated by TSA of cube, okay, plus CSA of hemisphere part minus area of circular area of hemisphere. Okay, clear? So TSA, total surface area of the remaining solid equal to TSA of cube plus CSA of hemisphere minus circular area of the top. Okay, circular area of top minus circular area of top of cube. Okay, by the help of this formula we have to determine the total surface area of remaining solid. Okay, total surface area of remaining solid. So this is TSA of cube 6 into एज स्क्वायर प्लस CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square, and this is minus circular area of top of cube means this area pi r square. Okay, so this is 6 into age. Age is given L square. L, so this is L square plus 2 pi r plus pi r square means pi, and the value of r square is L by 2. So this is L by 2 square. This implies this is 6 L square plus pi L square by 4. And now taking L square common. Okay, so this expression become 24 plus pi upon 4. Okay, L square by 4 pi plus 24. So this means this is written as L square by 4 in bracket pi plus 24. Okay, this is total surface area of the remaining solid. Okay, L square by 4 in bracket pi plus 24. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, now move to the next question, means question number 6. Okay, so the question number 6 is the question number 6 is given. A medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its end. The length of entire capsule is 14 mm. The length and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find surface area. Okay, so in this question we have a medicine capsule in the shape of cylinder with two hemispheres stuck. Okay, in the shape of cylinder with two hemispheres stuck. Okay, this is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispheres stuck, and entire length of medicine is 4 millimeter. Okay, and diameter is given 5 mm. Diameter is given. This is given 5 millimeter. Okay, then find its surface area. So this is figure of the medicine capsule. So from the figure it is clear that diameter of hemispherical part is equal to the diameter of cylindrical part, because we have a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck each end. Okay, so this is the hemispherical part. Okay, two hemispherical part. Clear? So from the picture it is clear. Diameter of hemispherical part equal to the diameter of cylindrical part, which is equal to 5.5 mm. Okay, then radius r of the spherical and cylindrical part becomes 5/2 mm. is 2.5 millimeter. Okay, this become 2.5. So this is also 2.5 and this is also 2.5. Okay, now subtract 2.5, 2.5 means 5 millimeter. So we get the height of cylindrical part. Okay, so height h of cylindrical part equal to height h of cylindrical part equal to height of cylindrical part equal to, this is 14 mm minus 5 mm equal to 9 millimeter. Okay, then find its surface area. Okay, so surface area is calculated by CSA of hemispherical part, CSA of hemispherical part plus CSA of two hemisphere plus curved surface area means CSA of two hemisphere. Okay, CSA of two hemispheres. So curved surface area of hemisphere, curved surface area of cylindrical part. Okay, right here. Cylindrical part and curved surface area of two hemispherical part. Okay, CSA of cylindrical part. This is cylindrical. So this is cylindrical part, curved surface area 2 pi RH plus this is 2 into 2 pi r square. Okay, so taking 2 pi r common from both the term, so to get me 2 pi r bracket h plus 2 r. Okay, and now put value of pi r h. So this is 2 into pi 22/7 and radius 5/2. Okay, and next h height 9. This is 9 plus 2 into 5/2. So 2 cancel out and 2 also cancel out. Now 22/7 into 5 into 14. This is 2. Okay, 5 to the 10 and 22 multiply. So to get 24 millimeter square, 220 millimeter square. This is total surface area of the medicine capsule. Okay.